Hello, my name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience. And today I'm gonna share with you the concept of tax residency in Panama. This is different from other countries. Every country has a different concept of tax resident. Some are similar, some are very different. For example, the United States has a tax residency concept that taxes on the worldwide income no matter where you move your residency. Some other countries in Europe or Latin America has a tax residency concept, which means that if you move your residency to another country, you are no longer tax resident in that country, but that will change for country to country, as I mentioned. And Panama has a different tax system, which is the territorial, that taxes on the source, which means that it charges income only if you make income in Panama, not on your foreign income. It won't charge taxes on your worldwide income. This happens the same in Costa Rica, Uruguay, and some other countries in the world. Something that you should consider is that tax residency is not the same as legal residency. The type of visa that Panama offers, or residency, that is issued by the immigration office does not give you automatically tax residency. You do need a legal residency in Panama in order to be tax resident. The document that the immigration gives you as a resident does not give you automatically tax residency. A second residency does not mean that you have a tax residency in that country. You do need to apply for a legal type of residency first, and then if you're interested in obtaining tax residency in Panama, you can. There is a procedure to do that, and I will explain how. And a physical person can be considered tax residency. It follows one of the following criteria. The first one, stay in Panama for a period of at least 183 days, alternative or consecutive. And the other one is that you make Panama your permanent home, which means that you live in Panama with a rental agreement, or you buy property, or your family lives here in case you have family, or you're doing business here, you are retired, you are an employee, you need to show what you're doing, and basically provide evidence to the tax authority that you are effectively living in Panama. Panama has 17 double tax treaties with different countries, mostly from Europe, Latin America, and a few countries from Asia. In some cases, you might need to request a tax residence certificate to our tax authority that is called DGI, possibly because you need to show to a third party that you are a tax resident in Panama, or because your country of origin has a double tax treaty with Panama and you need to show that certificate to the authorities to process some type of exemption or credit in the country of origin. Or you simply want to have that tax resident for your own personal use. So this type of tax resident certificate can be requested to the tax authority for personal use, or because you want to apply on your country origin because your country has a double tax treaty with Panama. And in the case you have stayed in Panama for more than 180 days, there is a document that needs to be requested to the immigration office where they're going to certify the time that you have stayed in Panama. That will be the evidence or proof that you're going to show the authority that you stay in Panama for that period of time. And if you don't have the 183 days and you prefer to apply with the subjective criterion, then you need to bring and show as much of documents in order to let them know that you are in Panama, that you have your property, you staying here, and as I mentioned before, your utility bills and all the type of documents you can show to the authority to let them know that you are a tax resident in Panama. At Prime Solutions, we can help you with the legal residency. There are different types of permanent residency options, and also we can help you requesting a tax residence. We can help you with a consultation if you need, and we can assist you requesting this document at the Dirección General de Ingresos, DGI. Finally, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, follow us on social media, and if you're interested in consultation, please, you can click in the link below.